Welcome to the Fox19 Now Business Spotlight, where every day we highlight local tri-state businesses who can make your life better.
Welcome, I'm Jolynn Johnston, and joining me here at Beacon Orthopedic Surgery Center is orthopedic surgeon Dr. Andrew Razzano. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks for having us behind the scenes at one of Beacon's patient rooms.
Yes, this is one of our 23-hour extended stay rooms. It's an excellent place for our patients to recover in privacy.
Awesome. Well, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Beacon. I did my fellowship here about 6 years ago, and I specialize in shoulder, sports medicine, and shoulder replacements.
How do you know when to take it from this is kind of a nuisance to I need to come see you?
We tell patients the sooner the better. It gives us the best opportunity to rehab you as fast as possible and get you back to the sports that you love.
Perfect. What specific procedures does Beacon Orthopedic offer for shoulder pain?
So for shoulder pain, we're very comprehensive. We have everything from physical therapy, PT, that is here that basically progresses into a bridge program back to sports, chiropractic care, x-ray, MRI, and then surgery from arthroscopic to outpatient joints.
So I know you treat a lot of athletes. What are some of the common injuries you see that are kind of sports related right now?
Well, at this time of year, football is just kicking off. So we see a lot of shoulder dislocations and ACL tears, things of that nature. I think one of the best things that Beacon provides is we cover almost 32 high schools in this area. So our Friday night coverage is great. And then we have a lot of our offices have Saturday morning clinics, which is excellent for our patients to get their critical care done in an expedited fashion.
So if you're looking for expert comprehensive orthopedic care all under one roof, call Beacon today and experience the Beacon difference. Thanks for sharing your expertise.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching the Fox19 Now Business Spotlight.
For more information on this featured business, go to fox19now.com and click on Business Spotlight.